You won't believe what a few simple fruits can do for your body. In today's video, I'm going to reveal a very special detox water recipe made from just 5 simple ingredients: plums, apples, lemons, oranges, and ginger. Not only is it delicious and refreshing, but this drink also supports liver detox, improves digestion, and helps nourish your skin from within. Stay with me until the end of the video, because I'll be sharing the unique benefits of each ingredient and why this drink is often called the golden elixir for health. First, rinse all the ingredients thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or impurities, ensuring they're safe for preparation. What makes this detox water special is not just its simplicity, but also its natural ability to support the body in flushing out toxins. When the liver and digestive system are cleansed, you'll notice your body feeling lighter, your skin looking more radiant, and your mind more relaxed and energized each day. After washing, we move on to preparations, starting with plums. Plums are especially rich in fiber, acting like a natural broom that helps cleanse the intestines, remove waste, and support smooth digestion. Simply remove the pit and cut the plums into small pieces for easier use. When your digestive system is healthy, your body feels lighter and more comfortable, while also absorbing nutrients from daily meals more effectively. Not only that, plums are also a rich source of antioxidants, nature's shield that helps neutralize free radicals, which are responsible for aging and cellular damage. Thanks to this plum-based detox water, doesn't just support digestion, but also slows down the aging process, leaving your skin smoother, brighter, and full of vitality. With regular use, you'll feel your body becoming healthier from the inside out, while your skin looks fresher and more radiant each day. Next is the apple, a familiar fruit that's both delicious and packed with nutrients. Simply remove the seeds and cut it into small pieces for easier preparation. Apples are rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that nourishes healthy gut bacteria, supports digestion, and helps reduce bloating and discomfort. Pectin also helps balance blood sugar levels, making it especially beneficial for those who want to manage their weight and maintain steady energy throughout the day. On top of that, apples provide an abundance of essential vitamins and minerals, boosting immunity and promoting smoother, more radiant skin from within. Alongside apples, lemons bring a refreshing touch to this detox water recipe. Simply peel, remove the seeds, and slice them into small pieces for easy use. Packed with vitamin C, lemons help strengthen the immune system and protect the body from harmful environmental factors. They also stimulate liver function, the body's main filter, to effectively flush out toxins. Just a few slices of fresh lemon not only add a tangy, pleasant flavor, but also naturally support detoxification. When paired with green apples, the two create a perfect duo that's both delicious and nourishing. Promoting a healthier digestive system, radiant skin, and stronger immunity every day. Next is Orange, a familiar fruit that holds countless benefits for both health and beauty. Peel and cut it into small pieces using only the juicy flesh inside. Rich in vitamin C, oranges are a powerful antioxidant that brightens the skin, helps fade dark spots, and reduces dullness. Vitamin C also plays a key role in collagen production, the essential protein that keeps skin firm and elastic while strengthening connective tissues, joints, and blood vessels. Beyond that, oranges contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds that support the body in fighting inflammation and boosting immunity. Enjoying oranges daily is not only delicious, but also a wholesome way to nurture overall health. Alongside oranges, ginger is considered a true golden spice for health. All you need is a small piece of ginger sliced thin for easy use. Ginger is well known for boosting metabolism and supporting calorie burning, which helps with weight management and reduces excess fat accumulation. Thanks to its natural anti-inflammatory properties, it also helps ease minor aches and pains, strengthens the immune system, and enhances overall resistance. In addition, ginger stimulates digestion, reduces bloating and nausea, and helps keep the stomach functioning smoothly. Have you ever tried making detox water with plums, apples, or oranges? Share your experience in the comments. Below, your little secret might turn into a great tip for others to try. Now we've gathered all 5 ingredients: plums, apples, lemons, oranges, and ginger. Place them all into a blender. When combined, they create a simple yet incredibly nourishing detox drink that's packed with health benefits. Simply add 500 ml of filtered water. Blend everything until smooth and strain through a fine sieve. You'll have a clear, refreshing, and delicious detox drink. This blend not only helps cleanse the body, boost digestion, and support liver function, but also provides vitamins and antioxidants that strengthen the immune system, improve skin health, and leave you feeling refreshed and light. It's best to drink this detox water in the morning on an empty stomach when the body can absorb nutrients most effectively, kickstart metabolism, and enhance the cleansing process. This refreshing drink, with its naturally sweet and tangy flavor, not only helps cleanse the intestines and detoxify the liver, but also strengthens immunity and promotes healthier, glowing skin. By drinking this daily after just 3 days, you'll begin to feel lighter, less bloated, with brighter skin, and a refreshed, energized mind. Store any leftover detox water in a glass jar with a tight lid. Keep it in the refrigerator and use it within the day to preserve its fresh taste and nutrients. Every family has its own unique health secrets. What about yours? Share your favorite recipes in the comments so everyone can learn from each other. As we enter middle age, the body often tends to accumulate toxins and immunity gradually declines. Adding a glass of natural detox water each morning not only helps cleanse the liver and intestines, but also supports digestion, improves the skin, and brings a sense of lightness and renewed energy. The key is to maintain this habit consistently while combining it with a healthy diet, proper rest, and gentle daily movement. Please note, this video is for reference only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more natural health tips every day. Thank you for watching, wishing you good health and peace. See you in the next video.